Hello everyone, welcome back. It's the 24th of April. I know some of you have seen our video. I'm going to be trading a £200 account to buy a holiday. But what I really wanted to do is show you how this account is getting on. So at the moment, I want to show you we're probably at our biggest drawdown we've ever had. So we're around about £1,000 equity. We were up as nearly 1,300 a minute ago before the US dollar opened and the pound did drop back a little. And we are up to 2,500. So you can just see there, I just closed a little tiny scalp I just done, just pretty much round it up to the 2,500 level. So what I'm doing, I'm really using our profit now to force this account into sort of next week, and I want to try and be within the next 2 months at about £5,000. So pushing this account from 500 to 5,000, no losses at the moment, and we're nearly out of the New Zealand Jappy. We've only got one position left. So just to show you guys, at 20 pence a pip, we have been riding that for months now. So unfortunately, we got a bit of a swap charge on our hand. If I can get probably the actual trade positive, I might take a hit on the swap charge just to get rid of it. Okay, so right, let me just show you a quick bit of analysis on the pound at the moment. So what you can see is I've put in the Fibonacci. Obviously, I don't really trade the fib, but I use it to see where potential retail traders could be taking their trades. So you can see there, look, the price has gone up around 50%. We've got a nice hanging man, which is for potential reversal or indecision pattern. What I'm mostly focusing on is if you actually look at from the high of today to the low, it's 40.8 pips. So potentially a lot of big funds will run 1-to-1 or 50%. So what I did is at 20 pips, I took the small scalp trade back up for just a few pips profit, just to round up that £2,500. So I'm actually expecting this today to go all the way back up. I've actually got a really, really nice, really small buy order just above, obviously, this indecision candle, because that will where a breakout's going to happen. I've got one roughly around here, and the biggest trade I've actually got is above, I would say, the highs of the 1.30225, I think my order's at, something like that. So that is where the big money is coming in. I just also want to point out, looking at the current container we've got, big bearish container. I'm just going to draw a little rectangle around it just to point out. So we have got to retrace this news price. So you can see where the price has also come up, tried to get back into where the artificial news had been pushed the price down, so a non-permanent price. So as soon as this breaks back inside this container of this big news candle, which I believe is 56 pips, we should be looking at heading towards the highs of that big candle. I'm going to be very cautious around the 130 psychological level though, because there's been a lot of support and resistance over the last sort of year, basically, to the pip on that level. So just keep your eyes open and just make sure that you're not caught out by that 130,000 psychological level. Right, so if you haven't watched the video of us trading a £200 account, please just message us through Facebook, like and subscribe to our channel, and very soon I'm going to be releasing a new system for you guys to all try out for our YouTube subscribers. Take care, I'll see you soon.